Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about pronunciation tricks in the Russian language. For example, the consonants s and ch standing together are often pronounced as sh. For example, расческа, расческа, считать, считать, and счастье, счастье. The next trick is that in some of the popular words, some sounds are omitted. For example, in the word здравствуйте, здравствуйте, we do not pronounce V letter. Or in the word солнце, солнце, we omit the letter L. What's more, in the word чувствовать, чувствовать, we also omit the consonant V because it's easier for the native speakers to pronounce it. Besides, in an unstressed position, O is always pronounced as A. It's called reduction. For example, we do not say молоко. It's wrong. A Russian native speaker would say молоко, молоко. Or let's look at some more examples. Колбаса, колбаса. Можно, можно. And last but not least trick in the pronunciation of the Russian language is some sounds are devoiced in the final position in the words. For example, the letters G, D, B, V, and the letter Z. For example, друг, город, хлеб, глаз, архив.